Good morning. Let us start our day on a positive note. Okay, we are going to first start with our prayer. You are going to repeat this after me. Dear God, as I start this day, I trust in your guidance. You are my shepherd, leading me to green pastures and still waters. Give me ears to hear your voice and eyes to see your goodness. May my heart be still, trusting your love and protection. Fill me with peace and confidence. I know you are with me every step. Amen. We are going to repeat this to ourselves before we start with our lessons. You will say this after me. I'm smart, I'm capable, and I can learn anything. Today is a new day, full of new chances to shine bright. I'm brave. I'll try new things and I'll do my best. I'm loved, I'm valued, and I'm exactly who I'm meant to be. Well done. I hope you have a great day today. Today is going to be a great day for you.